The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Morris County in northern New Jersey, south central Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hampton, or 12 miles east of Easton, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Washington, High Bridge, Clinton, Glen Gardner, Hampton, Lebanon, Collie, Fawn, Pleasant Valley, Annandale, White House Station, Long Valley, and Brass Castle. This includes Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 11 and 25. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris and Warren,